Okay, everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and today we have a Scurfa watches unveiling. This is my first time handling the brand. I'm excited. I've seen what they've done over the last several years, and they're becoming very, very popular. A little bit about the brand. The owner, Paul Scurfa, was a professional saturation diver, so he takes his dive watches and his new interest and hobby very seriously. They're not brand new watches, but they've just been released in 2022. So let's go see what it is. Now this container is reminiscent, basically just speaking with him, that these are used in saturation diving to bring components and materials down with you during the dive. So this is to mimic somewhat of a dive container style. So it kind of just arrows line up and then you unlock it and pull it apart. And let's see how the watch is, or which one it is. And it is the top side. So the Scurfa, not the Diver 1. This is a quartz. It is secondhand. And yeah, it's got a little bit of wear and tear to it. But I did pick it up for a pretty good deal. And it is beautiful. It's got the nice scalloped case design. I believe it's 41 millimeters. Yeah, looks pretty good. That dial is so beautiful though. Nice white indices. Fitted rubber. Let's go ahead and open that. Really nice, cool case back. So this uses a branded Scurfa watches. This uses a Swiss movement Aranda. I believe it's a 715. And the good thing about that is that it does have a power save mode. If you pull the crown out, it's a screw down crown. If you pull the crown out and pull to the third position, you can power save the battery. It will last 5 years as well. And also, the battery indicator life will tick. The seconds hand will tick every 2 seconds to let you know the battery is running out. And on most of the examples that I've seen, the second hand ticks and hits all the markers. And so far it is doing it on this one. Depends on the angle you hit. Yeah, so let's go ahead and check the lume. So yeah, so 41 millimeters, 10, I believe maybe 10 and a half thick by 47 or 48 lug to lug. So very manageable. Let's go ahead and hit this with the UV and we'll check the lume now. Looks like BGW9 right away. And yeah, so being a professional diver, like I said, takes his dive watches seriously. And this is no joke. Even though it does not have a timing bezel or dive bezel, it's a beautiful dive watch. And I'm going to be going away to the tropical Dominican. So I probably, this just screams summer. This screams pool, beach, ocean. I'm probably going to be taking this one with me. It's a nice quartz grab and go and no fuss, no worry. And again, it's got that nice curved strap. So let me know what you guys think. If you've heard of these watches before, what you think of them. That dial is so nice. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Cheers.